Wow, those scary creatures that try to attack him are viruses, and they are a group of very scary and deadly microorganisms. These viruses are unique and have a simple structure. They lack the organelles found in a typical cell. That is, they lack a cell structure. In fact, they are composed of a thread of genetic material sheltered within a protein coat. They are that simple but deadly. The thread of genetic material within them is either DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid. They carry genetic information that enables the virus to carry out deadly attacks and pass traits to their offspring. Some viruses have an additional feature, an envelope that encases the protein coat sheltering their genetic material. These kinds of viruses are said to be enveloped. Those without this envelope are naked viruses. There's one special thing about viruses. Outside of a living host, they are just particles, like a speck of dust. But within a living host, they act like living organisms, reproducing and carrying out life activities. So viruses are on the borderline between living and non-living things and can be grouped based on the shape of their protein coats. Some are helical, others are spherical, polyhedral, or have complex shapes. Let's look at some classes of animal viruses. There are the naked adenoviruses, which are respiratory viruses that can cause respiratory diseases like bronchitis. They have a DNA thread within their protein coats. The papovaviruses have DNA and are also naked like the adenoviruses. One papovavirus is responsible for cervical cancer. The herpes virus and pox virus are enveloped, have DNA, and are responsible for herpes and smallpox respectively. The naked picorna viruses, some of which are responsible for the common cold and hepatitis A, have RNA as their genetic material. Coronaviruses are enveloped, have RNA, and one coronavirus is responsible for severe acute respiratory syndrome, or SARS. Then the enveloped filoviruses with RNA. The dreaded Ebola viral disease is caused by a filovirus. Then we have the enveloped retroviruses, which have RNA. A retrovirus is responsible for HIV. There are also special viruses that can attack bacteria. They are called bacteriophages, that is, bacteria eaters. And they have unique forms that look like a microphone with insect legs. So that's about the simple viruses that require a living host to carry out life activities and can cause really deadly diseases. Remember that they may be naked or enveloped. They could contain a thread of DNA or RNA within a protein coat. We'll look at another group of microorganisms soon. Till then, keep learning.